the time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and does more.
Shalom to you, my dear viewer. I hope that you are fine wherever you're watching me from. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Mary. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. So today is just a random day. It is a Sunday on my side. We went to church in the morning and it is around 5 p.m. here in Kenya. So I'm just in my normal kawaida space. We say in Kenya kawaida. So this is my normal space, my kitchen space. So I'm just kind of thinking of what can I make for the kids. So I just want to make some mandazi, or I think in English it's usually called the donut or referred to donut. So I want to make some donut for my babies and I'm going to use this. So let me, so that is what I'm going to use. It is called U-Mix. So this wheat flour that is used to make donuts has everything that was included during its processing and all that. So the only thing that you need to do is just to use either water or milk, depending with what you prefer, and then you just mix it to make your dough and then prepare your donuts. So I'm just here relaxing. It is an evening. The kids are on the other side. They are watching TV. I hope you've seen Pendo running. So she's out there. So I just want to share with you a few of the things that I also bought that is in the course of the week. So let me start with this. So this is so there it is clear. So this is sour milk or soy milk, maziwa mala. So I bought this maziwa mala basically for just my kids and especially my daughter. From tomorrow, that is Monday, myself and son will be going. We will not be in the house. So because she will be around with her nanny, most of the time I just prefer her, being given ugali and some soy milk, and she really likes it. And I know when I'm around, maybe she may not take, and that is why I always ensure that it is there so that my house help can, just help her do it. And then I bought something else, though it is almost finished. So let me change my standing posture or position. So we have a lot of light. Yeah, so there we are. I just decided to buy this fruit juice for my babies. Though I don't do it very oftenly because of tonsils and all that. But I do it once in a while just to ensure that at least they just have something to drink, and especially over the weekend. And then on this other side, I also got this. So let me see. Okay. So I think there it is kind of clear. The lighting is something else. Okay. So I bought this margarine. Just it is kind of a mini shopping. So I bought those are the things that I bought just for my, for my babies. So most of the time as a parent, they are always the driving force behind it. There's also something else here that I did get from the supermarket. Yeah, so here it is. So these are kitchen towels. I got one from the supermarket. So I think I'm standing in the wrong direction. So I got one from the supermarket. There it is. Just for us to use here in the kitchen. And then finally, I was gifted this one. I think I've never shown you this one. I was gifted by my brother-in-law. So I've not used it. It is still new. So I think I'm going to do a lot of taking in water just to reduce my weight and all that. So this one was gifted by my brother-in-law. It is a water bottle, and it is metallic, so if you can't hear the sound, it is metallic. So that is it. So guys, yeah, there's something else that I've not shown you. This one. So these are my the tea leaves that I like using. The other time I tried tea leaves that has tangawizi. That is ginger, if I'm not wrong. Hey, my guys, I did not like it, and therefore I had to go back to my normal tea leaves. Actually, when I take tea that I've prepared with this kind of tea leaves, I feel happy and I feel rejuvenated. So those are some of the things that I did buy. So let me show you something else. I've already prepared my dough. I had just left it to rest for some time, because in the packet, at the packet, it is written after you making the dough, you let it rest for around 2 hours. So I had just left it there to rest. So I just wanna go and let me just bring it over so that you can see, and then we can prepare some mandazi and see what is going, just to happen. So guys, keep it here. And as always, if you have not subscribed, please, you can watch my other content. And if you consider what I'm doing is to your liking, please consider subscribing. But if you're watching this video, don't forget to like it. Just like it. Like it. It means a lot to me. So please, don't forget to like it. Like, share the video if you can. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. So guys, let me show you some of the things that or not even some of the things, sorry. I want to show you the dough that has already rested. So I believe it has rested enough and it is now ready for the cooking. So guys, come along with me. So here we have our dough that I did prepare some 2 hours ago. So you see, it's not sticky, and I think this is the best. It is the best. So I'm hoping that we are going to get good mandazis out of this. So it's just a small amount because of the number of people that are in my house. So this is enough for me and my kids. So guys, keep locked here. So let's do this. Let's make our mandazi.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly.